Yeah man, blessed. Welcome back to the Goblin Resort and Tree Bar. I'm Calvin, and today we're gonna prepare up some coconut chips. First we gotta break the coconut, we're gonna slice it in small thin layers, we're gonna salt it up, and then we're gonna bake and serve with some rum punch. So first we break. Take one. The camera. Alright.
Nice.
Take the coconut from the ox. This part you gotta be real careful for. Separate the coconut from the ox. Alright, this is our way, our method of slicing the coconut for coconut chips. So you get a really sharp blade or a knife. Just slice them. Every slice is like one layer of chips, so it's a lot of slice. Right now I'm trying to get them in really thin layers so we could salt them up and bake them. And these will be served at the manager's reception this Saturday, and each and every Saturday we serve rum punch and coconut chips, so you should come on down and enjoy. Alright, see now we're almost done, we're almost through cutting them up, slicing them up. Alright, so we're gonna add them to the baking tin, which I'm gonna add the salt. I'm gonna soak them up in some salt for the next 2 hours. Then we're gonna bake them for a temperature of 150 degrees Fahrenheit for 1.5 hours. Yep. Now we have them soaking in a bit of salt water. So it's gonna make them rest right here for the next 1.5 hours. And then we're gonna drip dry them and bake them up. Yeah man, here presenting my coconut chips, salted and baked coconut chips. Baked at a temperature of 150 degrees Fahrenheit. And now we're going to sample these coconut chips. Would you like, Angie?
Absolutely, I want to try these. They look great, they smell great. And they're really crunchy.
All natural. All I did was add some salt. Just a bit of salt.
And they're not too salty though. They have a really nice coconut flavor. And I could see how these could be very addictive.
Yes, they are.
Calvin, thank you. I am loving the coconut chips.
You're welcome. It was all my pleasure.